Hi guys, it's me again, Christoph Andrew. For today's vlog, we're going to unbox the newest release from PopMart, and actually, this is the newest IPs added to their collection, which is the 1001 Moons. And for those who are not yet familiar or not familiar at all with the character, I'm going to give you a short and core background. A background story revolves around the main characters and their world. So their world has 1001 moons, but only one of them are real, and the rest are just manifestations of the main character's dreams, which is Muna. So Muna is the witch, the moon witch or the moon princess, because Muna has two forms, which is a princess who governs the world, symbolizing responsibility, and a witch who wears a magic hat to embrace her free-spirited true self. So she dreams of transforming into the free-spirited witch full-time rather than being burdened by her royal duties. So the other character, which is the Hati or the Dream Chasers, Hati are little red-capped, elf-like sprites who are passionate, curious, and adventurous inhabitants of the planet. They are the dream chasers of the story and have a magical ability to take on the form of anything they eat. So their daily life involves gathering ingredients for dinner and exploring. So I'm so excited, but unfortunately, I didn't get the full set and I only have 8 boxes to unbox for today's vlog. So, what are we waiting for? Let's do the unboxing now. So guys, before we begin, I just want to show you my background because I used to collect now, or I started to collect unique figures or IPs just like Inusol, Tiny Tiny, Pino Jelly, and of course, I am a lover of Dimu. So let me show you first the box of these newest IPs from PopMart. So this is 1001 Moons Happy. Where's the Elephant Slide series? So I believe this is the Princess Muna and this is the Hati, which is the main background or cover photo of this box. I really like the color of this box as they just put like a the background is like a sepia vibe, and the main character is so colorful, that's why it pops up. So it looks like they have 2, 4, 6, 8, and 12 confirmed figures and one secret. And then again, unfortunately, I did not manage to get the full set, so I only have 8. So if I'm going to like these characters or new IPs from PopMart, I'm going to complete the set for you guys and find the secret if we are not able to get a secret today's vlog. So from this lineup, I really wanna get the rose, which is the ungiven rose. I wanna see the bottles of summer, which is the Coca-Cola. I'm so curious with this one, the ocean in my ears, signals to the moon, and turn to that day, which is the calendar. Actually, they are all cute and very interesting figures because when I did the core story in my introduction, Hati just collect like some ingredients so that they can form with the different figures or different characters. That's why this is Hati, I believe. So let's see if we are going to get the beautiful pieces of this series. So let me unbox the first one. I'm going to unbox this one at the bottom part again because then again, I want to keep the box in a good condition so that I can store them properly. And if comes a time that I'm going to sell them in the near future, the new owner of these figures will be happy because the box is still intact and beautiful. So let's see. Okay. Oh, they used a typical foil of pop art. I just hope that next time they will do a branding also for the new IPs like the 1000 Moons for the Hati and for Muna. So let's see our first figure. One, two, three. Oh, the cake one. Hmm. Let me see. Oh, so this is Happy. He or she transformed into cake. So this is like a three-layered cake, and this is the bottom part. It's so shimmery. They have like this pearlescent finish. I just hope that the candle is like will lights up, but it's not. Well, the details is so uh beautiful. Like it looks like a three-layered cake. It shows here, "Happy birthday." Maybe this like a vanilla cake. I like the details of the icing because it's a pearlescent finish, and you can see like Hattie is hiding inside of this cake, and I just noticed that the eyes is just painted one, but if you can look closely, the face and the body of Hattie is so shimmery. There's some glitters when it touches the light. Very nice one. Actually, this is not my prio, but yeah, it looks so cute. Let me show you the art card. So this is the art card. Very simple. Where's the elephant slide? Yeah. What can you say about the first figure which is hidden in the cream? You can comment down below. Let's proceed with our second box. Let me unbox this one now at the bottom part. I just hope I'll get my prio because I really want to see the rose. I actually saw the first time this character during when I was watching one of the vlogger here. I forgot the name, and she shows me or she shows the this character which is the rose. That's why I'm so excited to get this one because it looks like very interesting figure. This one's so small. One, two, three. Oh, what is this? It looks like a bottle of perfume. And if you can see, the finish of this one is so detailed. It's and very pearlescent and so shimmery. They use a translucent material with this one. Very nice details of the bottle. Hattie here has this white hair with some blue touch matching with the bottle. There's some inclusion here. Okay, maybe this is the stand. Oh, there's a white rose. Actually, it's not a white rose, a white flower. And this is the art card. So this is the spring in the bottle. Yeah, let me show you. Spring in the bottle. Let me put all together the figures. So this is the stand. It looks like a lace from the, I'm not sure. Lace topper. It shows here Pop Mart. Very detailed one. Oh, okay. Now I understand. This is like a flower vase. And you have to put the flower here. Very cute. It looks like Hattie is hiding with this bottle like an elf. I really like I'm not sure what kind of flower is this. If anyone knows what type of flower is this one is so beautiful. So it looks like you have to put this one on your coffee table, and it shows like this. Wow, very interesting figure. Very nice one. What can you say about this spring in the bottle? You can comment down below. Let's go now with the third box. I just hope I will get the rose, and I wanna see Coca-Cola as well. Coca-Cola bottle, Coke bottle, Cola bottle. There's no branding of Coca-Cola, but it's a Cola bottle. Let's see. Oops, this one is a dented box. Don't wanna see any spoiler. Okay, our third figure. This one's so light. One, two, three. Oh, another bottle. Maybe not a bottle. Hmm. Okay. It looks like a clear plastic, and there's some tag here 1001. Oh, and there's a fish inside. A goldfish inside. Okay. This one is so soft. Soft material, a PVC, soft PVC, and it's a translucent one, and it's so shimmery. Nice one. I like this one actually. Very nice. And look the details of the plastic. Very cute figure. Let me show you the art. Okay, there's an inclusion here. A tie. And this is the art card. We got the Midsummer Drift. So, okay. So you have to tie here like this is actually like a clear plastic like you buy a goldfish in a pet shop and they put the goldfish in a clear plastic like this one. This one is so cute. Very nice one. And the price is 1001. It's so light and I like the clear it's like a blow they blow the glass or the plastic like this and you can still see the face of Happy here. He's so translucent. He's hiding with this plastic. Very nice. Actually, I like this one. What can you say about this figure, guys? You can comment down below. Almost halfway through, and this is our fourth box. So far, I'm liking the figure, surprisingly. They are all cute, very unique. They look adorable. It reminds me of Elf trying to hide with people, and they are mimicking some, you know, some things in your house, and they are also look cute and adorable. So let me give you a recap. We got the Midsummer Drift, Spring in a Bottle, and Hidden in the Cream. So let's see. Let's see if we're able to get another one, another beautiful figure, or if we are lucky enough to get a secret from these 8 boxes. Now I'm regretting not to get the full set. I don't know why. Maybe because I'm skeptical if I'm going to like this series. Now I'm starting to like this one because I really like unique figures, very different figures, not just the typical Pop Mart figures. So let's see our fourth figure. One, two, three. Oh, we got the ink bottle. Wow. So this is the inclusion. Okay. Oh, it's quite folded to childhood. Hmm. Okay, let me put this one so that we can see completely. Wow. This one is so cute and cool at the same time. And I really like Hattie here. He's so translucent, very pearlescent finish. I like the glitters on the body. It pops up the character and the eyes. One is closed. I really like the finish of the eyes. There's some stars as a pupil. I like the hair. It's pearlescent finish as well. Dark. It's like midnight blue. It matches the color of the bottle and it's a translucent finish. So this is ink 1001 moons. It shows here. There's some tag or label. Wow, this one is so cute. Even the kilt is so nice. It's a very detailed one. It looks very expensive kilt. Kilt or kills? Kills actually. Kills. Am I right? Kills. I like this. I actually like this. This one is actually very beautiful in an actual figure. There's some like Dripping ink here. Same with the tears of Hattie here. Very nice. Very cool figure. What can you say about this one, guys? To childhood. You can comment down below. Let's proceed now with our fifth box. And I'm so excited to see them all because, yeah, they're all so cute and adorable. Very unique one. Unique, unique, unique. That's I can say. It's very whimsical for me. It looks like I'm in the other world now because I'm seeing this figure. This one's so heavy. One, two, three. Oh, the calendar one. Look! And they have this some plastic here. Should I remove the plastic? Okay. Oh, there's another plastic. Oh, okay. Let me show you first. The finish of the material is like a leather finish. If you can see here, I really like the detail of the stitches here. Let me remove the other plastic here. And the golden, I forgot what kind of rings here. Golden rings. Can I open this one? I'm not sure about that. Oh, you can open this one, but I don't know how. Oh, I don't like to destroy the figure, but I don't know how to open this. It's not. I don't like to destroy it. So, Hattie here has a brown hair and brown eyes. I'm not sure what's the meaning of the X and the V. Maybe because this is a Roman numeral number. I like the details of the stitches around Hattie's face, and you can move the or scroll this. What can you say? This one, the calendar pages. This is the cover. I like the cover. 1001 Moons. Here, January. Oh, let me read for you. The lighthouse glows, the moon knows, and the brave hearts never lose their roads. Nice, very nice poem. Okay, and this is December. December, the music box sings once more, turning time back to days before. Wow. And this is February. The roses and scents petals tight, clenched tight, with words folded in silent moonlight. They have good poem actually. Here the November, my birth month. Pencil lines, light as air, sketching joy we used to share. Very nice. I'll read it all to you guys. March, kaleidoscope dreams in motion. Each twist blooms a new emotion. Okay. This is a back-to-back one. I should read like this. April. Down the slide we used to fly, laughing out loud with no goodbyes. Wow. And this is May. Goldfish dance in sunlit beams, chasing around like childhood dreams. Nice poem. June. Chisels press against my ear, mermaid seeing what no one hears. Wow. And this is July. So the bubbles pop and play. Working summers long facts away. No, it's tucked away. Sorry. It's tucked away. Okay, let's go back with August. The vase holds blooms forever new, awaiting spring in every hue. Wow. And this is September. Inky letters softly drip to the past they skip and sleep. Wow. Very cool. October, wishes folded in the cream, savored in this gentle dream. And the November that I read a while ago, and the December, this is a complete month calendars. Very nice. And there's some cat at the back as a design. I actually like this one. Very cool. Wow, 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 wow. And this is the art card. Turn to that day. This is actually my favorite. What can you say about this one, guys? You can comment down below. Our six box. And let me unbox now. I'm starting to love them now, guys. Should I collect the full set? I'm going to collect the full set actually. And I want to get a secret. I actually don't know who's the secret here, but I'm hoping to get one in this vlog. Okay, so let's see. Our six figure, one, two, three. Yes, the rose one. Wow, look how beautiful. Wow, this is so cool. It's like an upside down rose with a pearl tears. I don't know if this is Muna, but I believe this is Hattie as well. And this is the top, the bottom part, or like the top of the rose. This one actually cute. Very detailed one. Look, and it's so shimmery. There's some glitters here. I hope you can see this. But I really like this one. This is my second favorite. Actually, they are both cute. Look, the details of the petals. It's like the hair of Hattie here. Or I don't know if this is Muna or this is Hattie. I believe this is Muna because she looks like a girl. And even the, you know, this, I forgot what you can call this one. The stem of the rose is so cool. I like the color combination. Cool, very cool. So this is the art card. We got the ungiven rose. Very nice. Now I'm sad I didn't get all of the collection, and I'm so excited to collect them all. So what can you say about the ungiven rose, guys? You can comment down below. By the way, I noticed the the eyelashes of Muna here is like a thorns, bloody thorns. Very cool figure. So guys, we only have two left boxes, and I'm so sad that I only have four more to collect from this lineup. And let me give you the recap. I'm still looking for the pencil, which is the 1000 plus 1 equals question mark. The folded times, the elephant slide, the bubbles of summer. I really like to get this one. The ocean in my ears and signals to the moon. And the secret. This product contains a regular edition of 1000 min. Okay, so let's see, let's see. I like them. I like them actually. I really like the collection. Surprisingly. So our 2467 figure. One, two, three. Oh, the seashells. Wow. Look, Princess Muna is here. Hiding. Oh, and this is Hattie. I really like the finish of this one. It's so glittery. Very pearlescent finish. This is so cool. This is some pearls here. I like the details of the shell. There are some G clef note here. There are some stars. It's like the shells of a mermaid. Very cute. I actually like this one. And this is Princess Muna like a mermaid. I hope you can see Muna here. Very cute. Let me show you the art card. So this is the art card, the ocean in my ears. I like the finishing of this one. Very cute, very detailed. Surprisingly, there's Princess Muna as a mermaid. Very cute. Wow. What can you say about the ocean in my ears, guys? You can comment down below. Guys, I'm so sad. This is my last box. I'm still not getting the elephant slide, the pencil, the folded times, the bottle, signals to the moon, and the secret. So let's see who will be our finale. I'm losing my hope to get a secret. I just hope it's another beautiful one. Yeah, this one's so small. So let's see. One, two, three. Oh, the pencil! Surprisingly, the pencil one. Okay, so this is the inclusion. Let me put the inclusion. This one's like a stand. It's like a piece of a puzzle. Wow. Very cute. It's like a big pencil. I like the hair of Hattie here. It's like a charcoal gray hair. And the pupil, you can see it's like the multiplication sign and the division sign. It's like you can use this one during a math school or math subject. 1001 1000 plus 1 equals 1001 moons. And you can see the tip of the pencil. I'm not sure if you can write here. Not, but look the details, guys. It's like a big pencil. Hmm. It's like you can connect more of here. This one is so cute. Actually cute. So you can let me check the art card so that I can see properly. How am I going to fix this one? Okay. So this is 1000 plus 1. You can fix this one like this. I like this one surprisingly. I really like this. Very cute. Wow. What can you say about the 1000 plus 1, guys? Please comment down below. So guys, this is the final lineup of what we unboxed for today's vlog, the series of 1001 Moons, which is the Hati and Princess Muna. I'm so sad that I didn't get the full set, but this is my chance to get and to chase the secret once again. So these fours in the front are my favorites, though all of them are so cute and adorable. But these four stand outs to me. I actually like the ink as well, and this one, the the clear plastic with the goldfish. Yeah, I actually like them all, but this four really catches my attention because of the details. I really love the series, guys. So I'm going to collect the full set. So watch out for it. And if you have other favorites from what I unboxed for today's vlog, you are free to comment down below and list your top favorites from this lineup. And if you want me to unbox any other series that you want me to unbox in the future, you are free to comment as well. And if you had fun watching my vlog, please don't forget to like and share this video. And if you're still not my subscribers, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified on my new and upcoming vlog. Once again, guys, thanks for watching. Bye!